Pour this over your feet. A forgotten home remedy is making a surprising comeback. Our grandmothers knew it well, but today hardly anyone remembers it. You only need one ingredient, something you probably already have in your kitchen: bay leaves. That simple spice you usually toss into soup? Few people know it contains essential oils and tannins with powerful properties. I'll explain in a moment. Grab a medium-sized pot, add 10 to 15 bay leaves, and pour in about 4 cups of water. Cover and simmer for 10 minutes. Let it cool down a bit. Once it reaches a comfortable temperature, place your feet in a basin and pour the mixture over them until fully submerged. Soak for at least 20 minutes. That's all it takes to notice a difference. Repeat this treatment 3 times a week. Bay leaves have antibacterial and antifungal properties, and most importantly, they tighten the pores of the skin. And that means one thing: less sweat, less odor, and cleaner, fresher feet. This simple foot soak can truly transform your feet.